Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now we are discuss about which is the best wire, standard or solid wire, and which type of wire you need. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Which is best, stand or solid? In terms of cost, simplicity and durability, the advantages goes to solid wire. As a single strand of thick wire, it is easily to manufacture and exceptionally resistant to damage. The thickness also helps to prevent electronic interfaces and limit the skin effect caused by magnetic fields on the wire surface. Its disadvantages is in its lack of malleability and strength. Once a thick copper wire is twisted, it's subjected to splitting or serving. Strand wire are advantageous for applications that require a great deal of intricate snacking, bending, reshaping, and movement such as in vehicles, robotics, or electric circuit boards. In choosing strand wire versus solid wire, all needs must be weighed and considered. Initial cost versus long-term cost should be weighed. Again, environmental factors, applications, loads, motion, and durability for the project. The approach is no different if building a house or a box build assembly. These factors must be considered before any final decision about what type of wire should be used to effectively and efficiently complete your project. In these regards, whether you are an OEM or a small business owner, seek advice and direction for your job requirements from a qualified electrician or electronic expert in the wire you choose. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.